You kinda drive me wild. Got my mind running for miles, and I still make you smile. If you were here, I'd stay a while. For you, I will do.
Hi, welcome for another video. If you're new here, you can call me Fida. And please join the family by subscribing, liking, comment, share if you can, and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming, watching my videos, supporting me. I really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be about grocery haul and some cooking, because it's been a minute since I did this kind of video and I've been missing it. So that is what we're going to do. Now I'm going to be doing weekly grocery. So that is what I just bought here, and that's what I'm going to show you. And then we shall go to cooking. I got myself eggs. It was more convenient for me to buy a whole tray than to buy some. That is why I took this one, and it's a whole tray, and it was going for 14,000. Then over here I have some Irish. This is going for 4,000. Yeah, I think so. Then I went to the market and got myself some things. This one, I don't know the name in English. I doubt about it. I think it's yams, or I don't know. I don't remember. If I know it, I don't remember, but I'm not sure to know it. So here it is. If you know the name of this in English, please put it down below in the comment section. Yeah, and we share about that. Then I got myself some pineapples. There are two. Yeah, one for juice, this one, and this one just to eat as a fruit. I got also some garlic. They are going for 2.5. And here I got some eggplants. This I got for 2,000. I don't know how many they are. They are quite much. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 12 in total. 13 in total. I also got a white onion. This one, only one, because it was going for 1,000 each. So then I got myself this cabbage. It was going for 2,000. Then I bought 2 peppers. This one, red and yellow. 2 of them was going for 5,000, each for 2.5. And then I got a cup of peas, because I'm planning to cook something which needs this one. Yeah, a cup was going for 3 and 3. No, this one, there is 2 types of cups, and I got the one for 4,000. This one was going for 4,000 Uganda shilling. Then I got some spring onion. This one was going for 1,000, and lettuce. This was going for 1 and 5 in the market, but in the supermarket I could get it for so much expensive. Yeah, it could be like 3,000 or something like that. I prefer buying it on the market. I got myself some oranges. Yeah, they are going for 2,000, 5 for 1,000, for 1,000, and here they are. They're going to finish the thing I got from the market with this. Now I'm wondering, isn't this the yams? Please, if you know the names in English, please put it on the comment section. I want to learn about these names. because I don't know them in English, but in my country we call it majimbi, and I know it's not everyone that's going to understand it. So here it is. I got this one for, don't remember, it was I think 5,000. I already eat one, but I just keep the package, and it's going for 4,990 each, and I got myself two, and one is here. Then I got some noodles, you know, this one is help. This one was going for 6,000 a pack of 5. Then I got Sprite multi-purpose liquid detergents. This 500 ml, and it was going for 6,000, I think, or less. Then here I got 2 spaghetti each of 250 grams, yeah, and it's 4 to 6 minutes cooking time. That is why I took this one, and it was going for 200, yeah. And then I got a kg of rice, this one Punjab, and it was going for 14,000, and this is the best rice ever, yeah. And I forget something, I put it on the fridge. This, I got myself Pristine cooking cream. Yes, and you'll see on the next videos the reason of me buying this. Normally I don't buy cooking cream, but I want to try it out because, you know, to put some creaminess on the foods. So that is why I bought this one, and I want to try it out. And it was going for 24,000 Uganda shilling. So this is it. Now you're going to arrange this and then go to cook.
I met you out of the blue, and everything I felt was new. You told me that you weren't ready, but then you act like we're going steady. I knew I was gone. Thought things would change as we blurred the lines, but you only want me sometimes. You made the rules from the get-go, but I would follow you if you said so. If you change your mind, but for tonight I'll pretend everything's okay. For tonight I'll pretend I don't feel this way. I'll pretend that we're just friends, like you said, like I'm not wishing for more inside of my head, like your mixed signals don't bother me. For once in my life I was brave. I told you how I feel, but you never really said if you felt the same. No, you're probably packing up your things now, driving fast on your way out of this town. I knew I was wrong, but for tonight I'll pretend everything's okay. For tonight I'll pretend I don't feel this way.